Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday, October 30th, and I just got in the euro right here as it confirmed here and came up to the top here. We'll see if this thing goes down here. Everything pretty much confirmed. The only thing I don't like is the pound. It confirmed up, although it confirmed up into a target, so I'm hoping everything continues to go down here. I got a great entry up at the spike here, up at the wick, I should say. And as you see, the Swissy came down to the very bottom here. You have to wait till the back of the channels here to get an entry on this. And the reason why, obviously you want to get your best entry, but you have to look at all the currencies that timed out here. All of them timed out to where they came up to the very back of the channel for a great entry for all the currencies. Okay. The only thing I'm concerned about is you're trading into a target on the euro yen, so you have to be very, very careful about how long you want to stay in this trade, and especially with the pound is not saying it really wants to go down yet. So it's very tough. I have a little bit of a gap here. I have some gap here on the Swissy. Here's the first target that I can see, unless I go back and find something else, which could be this right here. Okay, it could stop there. Okay, that's what it's holding up on right now. It has to blow through that, and the next target would be up here. Okay, so it could stop there, which makes this kind of a risky trade because, like I said, the pound wants to go up. So we'll see what this thing does. It's very risky, and the reason why it's risky is because it's not giving us any gap. The only trades that happened today were trades up, because looking for a down trade, trading into targets, it definitely is a riskier trade. But once you get good entries, you can usually manage your way out of a trade. But I'm a little worried about this because of the pound. If the pound holds here, then this is going to continue down. But we'll see if this trade works here. Okay, guys, you have to be very, very careful. See how the pound, I was saying that the pound confirmed up. Okay, it wants to go up, although the euro is trying to get to its bottom, so it can all maybe go in the same direction. You have to be very, very careful about staying in this trade. I'm hoping it comes down to this target here, okay? But you have to be very, very careful when it hits that target. Okay, if you get in a trade like this, your entry is at 81, and if it gets down to 70, so you pick up 8 or 9 pips out of it, depending on your entry, okay? So if that's all you get out of the trade, then that's all you get out of the trade. It's not that big a deal. Again, the goal is to make 10 pips a day. If you make more than that, that's great. But it's trying to get to that target. But it could obviously stop here on the wicks. If the pound and the guppy stop here, and they could go down from there because they're at the back of their channels here. But this is a much clearer move on the guppy for me than what we're trading off of. So that's why, one of the reasons why I don't like these two here. Okay, I get a great entry on the euro as all of them confirmed. See, even this confirmed over here, the Swiss yen. The euro yen confirmed, although it confirmed into a target, which I don't like, and the Swissy. So there's some gap there, so that's why I took this trade. So it's ended up being a good trade. But again, staying in past these wicks becomes very risky, although, like I said, if the pound decides to stop here and they get in sync, then this will stop, and this will bring this down even further. So it's up to you whether you want to stay in. But the key to my trading is entries, and I say that all the time. When you can find a great entry, it's a lot easier to stay into a trade. You can take some of your lots out and let the rest run if you like. So it's all about not losing and getting great entries. So anyway, it ended up being a good trade. Okay, guys, that's it for me today. I'm out of this trade. I got 8 pips out of it, which is, I'll take it. And that's it for me today. I mean, if I see something later, I'll trade. But right now, it's just kind of, as you can see, the last couple hours, if you look at the euro yen, I mean, look at this. You just went back and forth here and went back and forth here. But it's all about waiting for something that you see that you like. And it obviously has to make sense. I was on the call earlier, and I told the traders to watch out for these big wicks. Okay. These become targets later on, and guess where they went to? Now it still might go up, of course, but the reason why this stopped here because there's a barrier there. Okay, so that's where it came up to, you have to be aware of the wicks. You have to be really leery about trading off even this clean target here because of this wick. It always goes up. I shouldn't say always, but most of the time we'll go off the wicks and trade off the wicks. Okay, so that's why wicks are very, very important. Anyway, have a good day, guys, and another profitable day. Okay, have a good day. Bye.